All right. Good day. Welcome to Study Good Academy. I hope you're good. Today we'll be looking at fractions. Fractions. I'm sure it's not the first time you're seeing this topic. Yeah. It's not the first time you've seen the word fraction. A fraction is a set of numbers. Yeah. X. That has a numerator and a denominator, which means that if a number doesn't have a numerator and a denominator, and it's not a fraction. It's not a fraction. A fraction is a set of number that has a numerator and a denominator. A fraction can also be said to be a part of a whole number. This is not always true, actually. It is true, but not always true, because sometimes a whole number can pair together with a fraction to form a single number. So there are types of fraction. As you can see here, a fraction has two sets of numbers. The upper one is called a numerator. So in this case, 3 is a numerator, 5 is a denominator. Number between them is a division line. It's a division line. So let's move straight forward to this type of fraction, because I know this is not the first time you have been seeing this topic. I mean, from primary school, all the way to GSS and then SS class. So fraction is not really a new topic. Fraction is a very common topic. Types of fraction: we have the proper fraction. In the proper fraction, the numerator is usually smaller than the denominator.